What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Moving Minds with Money. Today we've got an exciting video. This is a nice method of making money, and I think you guys are going to enjoy this. So yeah, basically today I'm going to show you how you can get a free image online and turn it into profit. And I'm talking a lot of profit. So yeah, we're going to use a free image and sell it and make money. And before you go into the comments, I won't give you something that I haven't tried myself, that I haven't succeeded with myself, and I won't give you something that isn't legal. So this is completely legal. This is a working method. So yeah, before we jump into it, remember we've still got a special. I think it's for 2 more weeks on NordVPN, a 63% discount. Go claim it if you want it. I highly suggest you use internet security. It's a must. So whenever you're working online, use the VPN, especially when you're working with money or doing stuff like we are doing. If you don't want to use NordVPN, I can suggest ExpressVPN, and yeah, the ExpressVPN is one of the best along with NordVPN, but I've got a discount for NordVPN if you want to use that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. So look at this website. Everyone's heard of Etsy, eh? So on Etsy, look at this. This is in rands, South African rands, because I'm from South Africa. But this is about $40. This is about $5-6. But yeah, look at this images. Do you think this guy owns this image? Nobody's selling it, and he's already sold. This guy has sold over 1,000. So this is about $40,000 he's put in his bag for a picture that doesn't belong to him. Same with these guys. You can check all of them. 132 sales, 50 sales. This is only the reviews, so it isn't even sales. So look at this, and this is like $70. It's usually at $100, and it's already sold 139. So you can just do the math, and that's not his picture. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. So let's say, for example, you come over to Google, you say sunshine photography. Okay, cool. Now you can't use any of these pictures, right? So let me just show you something. If I click on this, it says image may be subject to copyright. So you can't just Google, let's say, Mona Lisa and copy it and then sell it. You can't. That's illegal. You're gonna get yourself in jail. You're gonna sit with a lot of lawsuits. Don't do this. If you want to use Google Images, go to Tools, click on Usage Rights, click on Creative Commons Licenses. So a Creative Commons license means you've got a right to do with the image whatever you want. So if you want to, take the image, put it on a shirt and sell it, you can. So this is nice. This is a nice method. But the method I prefer is going over to this website. This website's called Raw Pixel. So this is also like a Creative Commons website where all the pictures and stuff are free to use. It's called Public Domain Images. So yeah, I'm gonna show you something amazing about this website. So if you come over to at the top and you hover over art, look at this, famous artists. Okay, let's click there. Oh, there's the Mona Lisa. Okay, look at this. You can use this. We're gonna stick to the Mona Lisa because why not? Click on this, and then you just join for free and you download the image. Okay, so basically I signed up for free, didn't do anything, and yeah, now I can download this, and it's a public domain image of the Mona Lisa. You've got a license. I suggest downloading in original, not large or small. But yeah, this is a free copy of the Mona Lisa that's yours to use. You can do with it whatever you want. So I'm going to download this, and there you can see it's downloading. Okay, now I highly suggest coming over to a website called Photopea or Photopea, whatever you guys want to call it. You say, okay, Photopea is, sorry, I'm moving so fast. Photopea is a free Photoshop. It's a free online Photoshop. I'll also leave a link for that. But yeah, click on open from computer, just open it up. The picture you just download it. Okay, before I continue, remember you don't have to use the Mona Lisa, you don't have to use art. There's a lot of stuff on this website. You can come to topics. Okay, apparently that's not going to work now. But yes, you can. Okay, my internet's dying. Sorry about that. But you can basically use anything you want. It's not. I'm just using the Mona Lisa as an example. So my suggestion is come to Photopea, click on image, click on auto tone, click on image, click on auto contrast, click on image, and click on auto color. And you don't have to do this, I just like to do this. And then you say export as PNG and it will download. Okay, so sorry for that. It took a while to download for some reason. My PC crashed, but I'm back. So as I've said, that step, the last step I used on Photopea, isn't necessary, but I imagine there's a lot of people that actually like has this free version of the Mona Lisa that they sell. So why not change yours up a bit, you know, make it stand out, up the contrast or the brightness. And that's basically what we did. And so, yes, now we're going to make some money. I'm going to show you how to make the actual money. So first, we're going to use two websites. The first one is called Printful. Create an account. It's very easy. Then, I've already done all this stuff. But anyway, go to add a product catalog. Now, okay, after you've selected the product catalog, come to home and living. And you'll see wall art. Choose any portrait for the Mona Lisa, obviously. If it's something else, don't. I'm going to show you something very cool now. Let's go to the design. You add it to store. So after you've selected the wall art you want, minus obviously the portrait one, you just go to designs. I'll show you here. Go to designs and click choose file. So I'm just gonna go to my face so I can quickly upload this. Then okay, then you just simply apply it. Okay, for some reason this wasn't a portrait, but this actually looks quite nice. So you just center it the way you want it, and you just say proceed to mockups. Choose anything you want here, honestly. Just proceed to your mockups. You just continue, and then add to store. And then you do this. I'm just gonna run through this quick because I see this video is already very long. I suggest you use all of the designs, the styles of wall art, so you have more than one thing. And then as soon as you are done there, you come over to Etsy. You create an account. You see I've got an order here, but anyway, you create an account. You just link. That's why we use Printful, because Printful links with Etsy. So as soon as you have an Etsy account, you just link it. But before we price it, look at this. I'm gonna type in Mona Lisa, and look, this guy is selling it for $10. This one edited, it's $30. So look at the prices, get an average price, and take yours 10% down. So on average, if I'm just looking like at these prices, there's one for $200. But anyway, let's just look at the normal Mona Lisas. So on average, it's like $10. So make yours $9. Because when someone searches Mona Lisa on Etsy, they see the one they like, it's going to be the cheapest one. But now you're saying, okay, but I'm losing profit. Where are you losing profit? Because at the end of the day, it doesn't cost you a single cent to make this stuff. It's a free photo. It's free to upload on Printful. It's free to upload on Etsy. You have no expenses whatsoever. So yeah, it's free money. And then you just do this with Printful. It's going to take you a while to do all the wall art. I think it's going to take, I think there's like 50 or more. And if you want to do t-shirts and stuff, it's your store. Do with it what you want. This is just like a guide to doing it. But yeah, it's going to take a while to set up. But as soon as you set up, it's free. It's basically a free passive way. As soon as you're done setting up, it's free income. You don't have to do anything else. And the amazing part of Printful, the website we use to design, they create the product, they deliver the product, and you get paid. So basically you are just the middleman. So if you set up, you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to drive to a printing shop, you don't have to deliver to the addresses. They do everything for you. And the last website is called Redbubble. So basically I'm just going to show you quickly what it is. You can see you can create posters, you can create pillows, you can create phone cases. So basically it's similar to Printful, except they have their own website. So you see I can buy on Redbubble. And yeah, it's basically Etsy and Printful in one. So I highly suggest using Printful, using Redbubble. It's going to take a while to set up. As I've said, it's going to take a while. But as soon as you are set up, it's passive income. You can basically live off this income. You don't even have to work. You spend a week creating your your Etsy account and your Redbubble account, and you are set. You are absolutely set. So I highly suggest using this method. It's amazing, guys. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll check you guys in the next one.